You've got an offer of 25 lakhs. Sounds great, right? Until you tell me what's your fixed salary. Why am I telling you this? Because I have seen this. Companies focus on what is the guaranteed payout while the candidate looks at the total CTC. Okay. Now, your CTC might also include a component called variable, which is a variable pay, which means there is no guarantee that the company will give you that payout completely. Sometimes they do pay 100%, sometimes they don't pay, sometimes it depends upon the company's performance, team's performance, your performance. Sometimes the target behind that payout changes, so there is no guarantee that you are going to get that particular amount. I have seen offer letters where they have mentioned that their variable is 30% of the CTC. For example, the CTC is 25, 30% is their variable, which is 7.5 lakh is their variable. ठीक है, इसका कोई गारंटी नहीं है पे होता है या नहीं होता. Even if some companies pay them 60% of the payout at the end of the year, तो उनको फिर भी टेक होम 22 लाख मिलता है, 25 लाख नहीं मिलता. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग 60% इज मतलब अच्छा अच्छा खासा ये होता है. कभी कभी मिलता भी नहीं है, कभी कभी 10%, 20%, 30% मिलता है. ठीक है. सो next time when you negotiate for your CTC, tell them, I want to work, I want to negotiate on the fixed component. Don't negotiate on the total CTC in case if there is a variable component. See what you get your in hand salary. And ask the HR one thing during the interview or during the negotiation, that how much variable was paid last year, and watch their face closely. Now, I know you will tell me that ये यार ये तो लोग कुछ भी बोलेंगे, हम कैसे यकीन कर ले. No, ये क्वेश्चन मुझे भी पूछा गया था, और जब मेरे पास आंसर नहीं होता है तो you fumble a little, you're not clear with your answers. But when you know the answer, you talk very upfront and straight. So you watch the recruiter's face closely when you ask this question. ठीक है. And remember one thing, your daily expenses and रोज का खर्चा, this fixed salary is going to pay. EMI, VMI, ठीक है. ये वेरिएबल पे वो बाद में जो मिलता है वो बोनस होता है. ठीक है. अब वो मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, लाइक आई सेड, देयर इज नो गारंटी. जो अगर मिला तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं मिला तो व्हाट विल यू डू. सो now drop your variable percentage below what was promised and what you actually got. ठीक है. Let's see how big the gap is. Now I really want to know. Do that. Okay. Bye bye.